Can you state your age, please?
28.
28.
Can you put it as 23 though?
Sure, absolutely.
Thank you.
And I'm going to ask you, how long have you been interested in paranormal?
As far back as I can remember.
Okay. Did you have an event that made you interested in it, or was it just something that you wanted to learn more about?
No, I was very interested because at the age of 5, I saw my great-grandfather after he had passed away. Technically 6, because it was right after my birthday. And then after my grandmother passed away in 1998, I was able to see her after she passed away, both physically and in my dream.
Oh, okay. And so it was something that you wanted to look into more to find out exactly how it and why it happened.
Exactly, because I knew they were coming back for a reason, and I knew they couldn't be the only two, you know?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to ask you, how long were you looking for a paranormal team? Or if you weren't, how did you come across Passant?
Several years I was looking for a good, reliable team that I could be with and be a part of.
Mm-hmm. And how did you find Passant?
On the internet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. And so how long? You said a couple of years?
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me what investigation this is? How many have you been on before this?
I have not been on any professional investigations previously until I joined this team.
Okay. Okay. And have you been to this cemetery before?
Yes.
You have been?
Yes.
Okay. When you were here last time, did you experience anything?
It was odd. We came in and just drawn to it. Not really any physical or manifestations like that, just an overwhelming emotional feeling.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you for interviewing with me.